This is a video by Richmond. Today we're working on a Dodge Dakota pickup truck. This is a 2003 model, and it has a noise in it. Listen to this noise. Anybody want to guess? All right, we're going to have to get in there and see what that's all about. Well, I found the problem. While the engine was running, all the noise was coming from this area right here. The bearing is shot in the AC compressor. If you look closely, you can see the color right here, this rust color. That would be the bearing disintegrating. So, the owner of this vehicle right here does not want to repair that bearing or replace the compressor. It doesn't work anyways. So what we're going to do is we are going to use a belt for a non-AC vehicle, and we're going to bypass the compressor that way. Now we got to remove that old belt. On the right side of the engine is the tensioner, so we want to rotate the tensioner towards the left side of the engine, and we can remove the belt from the alternator and take it off the idler. And it goes down under the crank pulley. Snake it by the fan. Okay, almost there. That is one long belt right there. Now when you get your belt, don't get the 885 belt that they recommend for the non-AC. Get the 905 and make sure it's a 7-rib belt. Once you get that belt, it should be okay. Now let's go down, get it on the crank pulley first. Then we're going to loop it up over the water pump. Now once we're over the water pump, we want to go around the power steering pulley. That there straight. Go under your idler. Now if you don't know the routing, check your decal right here on the radiator support. Next we're going to go around the idler, not the idler, around the tensioner pulley. Get our serpentine belt tool on the tensioner, and we'll just move the tensioner towards the right side of the vehicle. Make sure we're seated in all our pulleys. And there it is. Double check all your pulleys. Make sure the belt is seated correctly. And that's it. It's a job well done. And that's all there is to bypassing the AC compressor on your Dodge Dakota.